bag of secret weapons.
Oh, actually, I think he's reaching for his pocket.
Okay, I'm calling the cops on you.
Skippy the bush kangaroo. I have a weapon too.
Oh,
Keisha.
she has Keisha. One like a Kokisha or whatever. You just pulled a pocket knife on me.
One-legged Keisha. A doll. Yeah, I got it from
Yeah.
last year.
Okay.
So what's that gonna hurt me with?
Gonna,
Her
like,
legs. Her one leg can poke you in the eye. And wow.
Help me. This is gonna be. Oh. Be depressed, I dare ya.
Be impressed, I care. You better get your bubblegum gumdrop yourself and skip the egg.
Get your gumdrop ball ashy behind. Up on out of here.
Up on out of here. You be depressed, I dare ya. You be depressed. Get your ashy behind. Gumdrop yourself up on out of here.
If you don't like it.
Oh,
Period.
He don't like that. He don't like that.
Okay, I'm.
Skippy.
Okay, call the cops.
We'll go destroy their base after, right? Look, you happy with it?
I have a weapon.
I have 911.
I have a weapon.
911.
I have a weapon.
Pull out that knife.
I'm not afraid to use it.
Pull out that knife. Oh, okay, let's go destroy their base now.
Okay, let's go. Oh my god.
I know it's the same, but we gotta do it.
Did you see it? Wait, guys, they're over there.
Are they coming back?
No, they're like scared. This is what you get. Oh yeah, they're leaving. Bye. Kid. She's literally like 8. How would you have a pocket knife? I'm bringing mine next time, but I thought you weren't allowed to carry it around publicly. It's their own fault. Oh my god.
They're coming back. They're coming back. Oh my god.
Are they really? Oh my god, they're coming back. They're coming back. I gotta get a rock. Get out of here. Oh yeah, you're fine, but like.
You're innocent. You're a good kind.
Oh, he's coming back.
And he has a knife in his hand.
Does he really? Where? I think he does. I don't know. Okay, good.
Yeah, I also got YouTube on the side, so it's okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Keisha cares for me and loves me a lot, so.
Okay, well, I think that's the end of that. So, yeah. Make sure to subscribe and like for more.
Make sure to subscribe and
Make
like
sure to
for more
subscribe and
content
like
like
this. So, yeah, thank you guys.